Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to upload TikTok videos from your computer. Let's get started. First, log into your TikTok account. You can choose any option to log in here. I'll choose Continue with Google and click on it. Then click on the Continue option. Then you'll logged in. Next, you'll see the Upload option here. Click on Upload, and then you need to click on the Select Video option. Here you can select the video that you saved on your computer. Select it and click Open it. Next, you need to add the video's details. After adding the title, we will add hashtags. You can get the hashtags from ChatGPT. First, copy the title and paste it into ChatGPT. Now write, "Give me the hashtags" below it. Press the Enter, and it will generate the hashtags. Copy these hashtags and go back to TikTok to add them after the title. Go back to ChatGPT, paste the title, and write, "Give me the description" below it. It will provide you with a description. Copy this description and go back to TikTok to add it after the hashtags. Here, click on the Cover option. Next, you can set the TikTok cover. You can choose any cover. I choose this one. And click on Conform. You can set this video to private, public, or friends only. You can keep this video public or private. You can add the schedule in this video. Finally, click on Post. Click on the Upload option. The video will be uploaded. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.